The global car accessories market is estimated to reach $2 trillion by 2028. Here are a few amazing products looking to capture some of that market share. Dust cleaning gel. It's incredibly difficult to remove dust and dirt from small cracks and seams in your car's interior. Have you ever wondered how car detailers manage to get your interior looking so clean? This is where this amazing cleaning gel steps in. The gel is strong enough to stay in one piece and sticky enough to pick up the smallest of dirt particles. Simply squash the gel over the area you want to clean, and when you pull it away, the dirt sticks to the gel. The gel can be used multiple times before you have to replace it. Not only is it a great product for cleaning your car, but you can also use it to clean keyboards and other items. Bear Pilot Air Freshener. Are you looking for an air freshener with a bit of personality? Well, take a look at this one with a bear for a pilot. It clips into your car's air vent, and when you turn on the fan, the propeller blades turn in the breeze. Additionally, you can add a fragrance into your car by lifting the bear's head and placing a fragrance tablet into the chamber. I'm sure this gadget will catch the eye of many of your friends. The product costs around $15. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And check out the rest of the channel for more amazing videos. Alright, let's move on. Imagine a perfectly organized vehicle where everything has its place. Well, stop imagining and get yourself organized with this trunk organizer from Fordham. It can be folded into a flat package for easy storage. And when you want to use it, simply open it up and put in the base plates to help it keep its shape. Non-slip fixtures on the base will help it stay in place, and the interior walls are fully customizable. Whether it's sports equipment, groceries, or smaller items, the trunk organizer will accommodate your needs. The organizer can be purchased in 3 different sizes: standard, large, and extra large. Boat Hoist Boat Loader. Did you know that 1 out of every 10 people in the United States owns a boat? The Sidewinder electric boat loader will make loading your boat onto your roof racks a breeze. It's safe and easy to use even for one person. The boat loader is designed to bolt to your heavy-duty roof racks, and it's rated to load up to 290 pounds. The 12-volt electric winch pulls your boat up onto the roof racks using the rails. The manufacturer claims it takes just 5 minutes to load or unload your boat. You can even keep your caravan or trailer hitched while loading your boat. Bamboo steering wheel tray from Haytrip. Eating lunch in your car can end up making a mess. That's why you need a tray. Unlike some steering wheel trays that are made from plastic, this particular one is made from bamboo. That means it's non-toxic, waterproof, and guaranteed to stand the test of time. Putting the tray in place is really easy. Turn your steering wheel 180 degrees so that you have a clear area to hook in the tray. Then clip the tray in place, and it will hold itself in position. The tray will give you a flat surface to place your lunch or even a laptop. The smooth finish of the tray will ensure that your steering wheel doesn't scratch, and it makes it easy to clean. Here's a car cup holder with a very clever mounting system. Most cars come with cup holders between the seats, but sometimes they are too small for your cup. This cup holder is larger, and it can hold a cup with a handle. This cup holder will fit most cars because it has an expandable base. The cup section has rubber tabs to help keep your cup securely in place. There is also a phone holder pouch built into the side. Simply place the gadget into your car's cup holder and twist it into place. As you twist it, small arms in the base extend and hold the product firmly in place. The clever design of the product means that it can easily hold a wide variety of cups, including takeaway cups and ceramic mugs. iKamper rooftop tents. iKamper make rooftop tents, and one of their products is the SkyCamp 2. It's a compact tent that will fit most compact cars, crossovers, and hatchbacks. The tent is made from a thick poly-cotton canvas that blocks out the light, so you can sleep in. The canvas is also 100% waterproof. Some of the models feature a window on the roof, giving you the ability to sleep under the stars. Forget about fussing with poles, this tent takes just 3 minutes to set up, and all the hardware for mounting the tent is included in the price. The price of the SkyCamp 2 is $3,119. Here's another organizer, but this time it's in the front of your car. It's the Suede Sun Visor Organizer from Toyota. Fasten this product onto your sun visor using the adjustable straps, and you're good to go. The straps stretch a little, and this will help you to get it to fit perfectly. There is a compartment for storing cash that you can zip closed. It's also ideal for storing pens, cards, sunglasses, and other small items. The pocket organizer is made from a high-quality suede leather that's easy to keep clean. Our final product is the Lysen MagSafe Car Mount. This magnetic car phone holder can be securely mounted on dashboards and on other varieties of horizontal, curved, and vertical surfaces. The base has flexible feet, so you can mount it on a curved surface. Alternatively, you can use the steel hook clip to attach it to your air vents. Phones with a metal case can easily snap in place due to the high-powered magnets. If your phone doesn't have a metal case, then you can use the metal ring provided in order to give your phone a mounting point. The magnets it uses are so powerful, they can hold a weight of up to 8 pounds. The holder also uses an upgraded magnet, so it doesn't degrade your phone's signal. Lysen have brought out another model that keeps your phone clear of the air vents, so you can enjoy uninterrupted airflow. Well done for watching to the end of the video. Check out the channel for more great videos. See you in the next one.